So I just want to show another way of solving this that uses just this form and then will end up giving us the exact same answer. So let's try doing this again. I have 6b to the power of negative 3/4, or no, 4/3. Double check that. Yep. And 4/3 is the same thing as the mixed number, negative 1 1/3. So we still have a negative exponent, so we still need to move it to the denominator. 1 1/3. And of course, a mixed number is the same thing as saying 1 plus 1/3. Well, when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So that means we can break apart an addition of exponents into like bases. So that's the same thing as saying 6b times 6b to the power of 1/3. This is to the power of 1, but you can just remove that power because the power of 1 is just itself. It doesn't change anything. And the 1/3 is here. Now, the 1/3 is a cubed root, so all we have to do to get rid of this 1/3 power is to multiply it by 2/3, because 2/3 times 1/3 is just 1. Whatever you do to the denominator, do to the numerator. And we can see that we now have 6b to the 2/3 on top. And on bottom, we have 2/3 times 1/3 is just 1. 6b times 6b is going to be 36b squared. And then to the 2/3 power, well, this is the cube root of 6b squared. Well, 6b squared is 36b squared, the cube root of that, over 36b squared. You can see that this is the same answer, just a different way of thinking about it. I think this way might be a little bit easier when you know what you're doing because the numbers are smaller. You don't have to go through all this process, but it's kind of up to you, whichever way makes more sense.